1. What is the normal range of hemoglobin in adult females? 12 to 16 grams per deciliter. 2. What is the normal blood pressure range for an adult? 120 by 80 millimeters of mercury. 3. What is the medical term for low blood pressure? Hypertension. 4. What is the standard size of a needle used for intramuscular injections? 21 to 23 gauge. 5. What is the name of the instrument used to measure blood pressure? Sphygmomanometer. 6. What is the normal respiratory rate for an adult? 12 to 20 breaths per minute. 7. What is the preferred site for administering an intramuscular injection in infants? Vastus lateralis muscle. 8. What is the normal fasting blood sugar range for adults? 70 to 100 milligrams per deciliter. 9. What is the primary role of aseptic techniques in nursing? To prevent infections. 10. What is the normal range of body temperature in Celsius? 36.5 degrees Celsius to 37.5 degrees Celsius. 11. What is the best position to place a patient in during a lumbar puncture? Lateral decubitus position. 12. What is the first step in the nursing process? Assessment. 13. What is the most common site for pulse checking in adults? Radial artery. 14. What is the ideal angle for administering a subcutaneous injection? 45 degrees or 90 degrees for certain cases. 15. What is the normal potassium level in the blood? 3.5 to 5.0 milliequivalents per liter. 16. What is the primary purpose of a nasogastric NG tube? For feeding or draining stomach contents. 17. What is the medical term for difficulty in breathing? Dyspnea. 18. What is the preferred vein for intravenous 4. cannulation in adults? Median cubital vein. 19. What is the Glasgow Coma Scale GCS used for? Assessing the level of consciousness. 20. What is the normal range of platelet count in the blood? 150,000 to 400,000 per microliter. 21. What is the appropriate method for hand washing in a healthcare setting? Use soap and water for at least 20 seconds or alcohol-based sanitizer. 22. What is the purpose of a Foley catheter? To drain urine from the bladder. 23. What is the term for inflammation of a vein? Phlebitis. 24. What is the normal pH range of human blood? 7.35 to 7.45. 25. What is the term for a wound with partial or complete separation of layers? Dehiscence. 26. What is the recommended site for measuring infant temperature? Axillary or rectal. 27. What is the best position to place a patient in to prevent aspiration during feeding? Semi-Fowler's position. 28. What is the medical term for nosebleed?